Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just wanted to take a moment to walk around the car that's just come back into stock with us. A rather special, rather rare BMW 760 Li. This is the long wheelbase, top of the range model from BMW, sporting 6-litre V12 under the hood as well. Obviously, to go with that, it has a plethora of specification and features, which I'll run through a few of them whilst we go around the car. Standing for long wheelbase, you see the extension in the rear door there. Rather subtly styled. A few notes that will differentiate the 760. Obviously the badging on the rear, on the front wing, and those quad tailpipes as well. Now we previously sold the car and just taken it back in stock, quite happily so. A rather rare example. Stunning black leather on the interior trim here. You've also got the factory rear entertainment. We've got the rear blinds, which are currently up, just to show you. We've got the BMW headset, all the controls for the rear media there as well. And coming down, we've got these lovely fir walnut inlaid with the lighter trim wood, which goes all the way around the car. The backs of these comfort seats. And looking up, you can see not only the sunroof, but the lovely vanity mirrors as well. To the front, again we've got these spectacular comfort seats with the winged headrests and a large panoramic roof, as you can see there. Sitting down, you can see the car's done 86,000 miles. For its age, 2014 64 reg. It's got the adaptive cruise control, media controls, electric memory heated seats, harman kardon. If I start it up, rather silent V12. Now it's up and running. You've got professional media with the largest screen for your sat nav, Bluetooth, climate control, heated seats all controlled there. See the media controls. That lovely aluminium trim, wood and aluminium trim going all the way around there, and you've got the 6 CD changer tucked away in the dashboard too. A car that you'd probably want to be sat in the back, but with the engine, you may want to have a drive as well. Very special car, not many on the market. So if you're looking for a lovely example with excellent service history, please get in touch. If there's anything else you'd like to see, I'd be happy to send a bit more in-depth video for you. Yes, thank you very much for watching.